Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about p equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have the x. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have only y in here. First the derivative of y, we have number 1. So we have negative 2x. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. Next we have dy. So we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we just have this one in here. First the derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This one we don't have x, so you got 0. We see that negative 2x equals to negative 2x. That means they are exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. Fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here. So the integration of 5x to the power of 4, we have x to the power of 5. The integration of 2x, we have x squared y. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides with respect to y. This one you got 0. This one we have number 1. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify negative x squared for the both sides, and we just have only 6y in here. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of y, we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. So this one we have 3y squared. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy, and 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.